pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Animal testing has long been a controversial issue, but I think we can find some common ground here. Some argue it's necessary for medical research and product safety, but most people are uncomfortable with the concept. Today, let's focus on the important question. Is animal testing truly the best way forward? While we can all agree that medical advancements are important, we should also agree that reducing unnecessary suffering is just as crucial. And the truth is, animal testing is not only cruel, it's also outdated and ineffective. Study shows that 95% of drugs that pass animal testing fail human trials. Why? Because animals aren't perfect models for human biology. A treatment that works on a hamster may have zero effect or even cause harm to a human. And it's not just about medicine. Many companies still test cosmetics, household products, and chemicals on animals, despite the fact that modern cruelty-free methods exist. So while some believe animal testing is necessary evil, the real question is, if we have better options, why are we still relying on these outdated methods? It's time to push for both science and innovative. It's time to come together on common ground. Because when we choose cruelty-free methods, everyone wins. Python TV, I'm Noah Gonzalez, reporting.